What are the common patterns that tell you when someone is interested in joining your network marketing opportunity? That's what I'm going to be talking about today. If you're anything like me, you know network marketing is an amazing way to build a business that will literally change your life forever. But you also see that there are huge challenges that are starting to emerge, like how do I know I'm in the right company? Or where can I find more prospects? Or how do I duplicate myself to create a strong downline? These are some of the blaring questions we face every day. This podcast will show you how professional networkers like us rise above misconception, haters and naysayers to help those who really focus on becoming a better version of themselves and decide to create the dream lifestyle. Follow this podcast while I combine timeless and proven network marketing principles with new and mind-blowing ways to build a never-growing downline that will help you reach the highest ranks of your MLM and create unlimited freedom for you and your family. My name is Mario Blanco and welcome to Ace Networkers Academy Radio. Wham! What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing well. I hope your business is growing, and I hope also that my content and my episodes are helping you to do that. So, in any case, I'm going to be sharing with you today those common patterns that we notice in people that are really interested in joining our network marketing opportunity. This is quite relevant, especially at the beginning when you are just trying to start and grow your business, because most of the time you're going to be spending it in inviting people, presenting your opportunity, closing on that, and then following up, and then you just close the cycle and start again. So you grow your list and carry on inviting and carry on getting more people to present your opportunity. And we all know that our time is limited, so that is the single resource that rich and poor, we all have the same. It's just time. So how to make the most of it when we are facing those prospects, and with whom do we want to spend the most of our time, because they are going to give us 80% of results in our business. That's what is this all about. This is all about qualifying your prospects. It's like, let's say you're a farmer and you are sowing some seeds, and then you have to water the seeds that you have planted, and you have limited water. So you want to make sure that you're watering those plants, that those seeds that have the chances of becoming a plant and growing. And that's what all this is about. It's just finding those. And it boils down to three main areas, which I have noticed when you have gone through lots of meetings and presentations and got to take people on board and spend time with them. You notice these common patterns, and these three patterns are one, those prospects are really hungry to change their lives, obviously for the better. They are really ready to become a better version of themselves, so they are embracing that change. It's kind of like they were searching for you, and you stumbled upon those people and you invited them. So that's one of the 3 patterns I have found. The second one is those prospects are really ready to pay the price. Because, yeah, there's so many people that wishes for things, but when it comes down to spending a Saturday night just presenting your opportunity and speaking to your team and helping them to grow, not everybody are willing to pay that price. Or when it's about finishing your job at 6 or 7 p.m. and you know that you have to just open your computer and start working in your business, even though you don't feel like it. Well, not everybody is ready to pay that price. But there's a price to become I would say, an outstanding ace networker, and not everybody are willing to pay that price, as I was saying. So we must find those, and this was the second pattern I have noticed, and the third and last pattern I have noticed in people is they are willing and ready to learn, because that's another massive difference in people you come across. Many of them, you notice that they've got so much, I would know, so much prejudice, or I don't know, somehow they feel like they have learned everything, and they are not in a state of mind they are teachable. Their head is so full of things that they already know. There's no way you can teach them. You feel that they are not absorbing anything that you are telling them. They always know a better way of doing what you're telling to do. They are not applying any of the principles and the time. Let's say these principles have been proven that to work over time. Still, they are coming with their own ways of doing things. So they are not coachable. They're, let's say, if their brain was a glass of water or a glass, their glass is completely full and there's no more knowledge you can pour into that brain. Some people have are willing to empty that glass totally or partially. They don't have to have such a, let's say, massive ego from another point of view, and some of the things that they held to be true, they are willing to change their mind, and they are willing to embrace what you're teaching them. So we're saying that's the third point, and that completes the main points was and the main patterns I wanted to share with you today. So I'll repeat all 3. So when you qualify your prospects, you need to make sure they are hungry to change their lives, they are ready to pay the price, and they are willing to learn. If they don't fulfill any of those, then maybe they are not worth you spending time with them, or at least putting them in a, let's say, slower group, and you can revisit at some point. Because over time people get motivated and understand things that they haven't, maybe at the beginning they didn't grasp the concept of what this is all about, and sometime later they will realize they were wrong, and they come back to you, and they are ready then. So I hope this will help you in deal with your prospects and focus on those who are going to help you grow your business, and also you will feel satisfied because they will be absorbing your efforts and your time, and it will be productive for you and for them. So that was it for today. I hope you can start to apply this really quick in your own business. And yeah, feel free to come back to me and let me know about the results. I'll see you in the next episode. God bless. Hey, thanks for listening. Please remember to rate and subscribe. I know there's tough to find people to pitch when your warm market of friends and family dries up, right? So stay tuned and we will solve this problem together, one episode at a time.